My name is Tejashvi Sadhav and today's date is 11 August 2021 and our today's video topic is static keyword. So in this video we see the what is meant by static, then we see the example of static keyword, then first one we see the what is meant by static. So static is a keyword is mainly used for the memory management. Mainly the static word is used with the blocks, then it is used for the nested class, then it is used for the method, then it is also used for the our variables. So by using method, nested class, variables block, we can use the static keyword. So this is about the static keyword. Then we see the static keyword is help of we use the static keyword means what it mainly used for the memory allocation. It reduce our efficiency and it saves our space. So we see the one of the example with the variable. We create of the class ABC. In that class we take one of the variable int num. It variable we take as a static. So in another class we create our object of the ABC. When we create an object of the ABC, before we create an object ABC, we pass some of the num value as a num1 is equal to 5. Then we create an object of ABC, object 1 is equal to new ABC. So we get the output at the sysout 5. Then we same class we create another object ABC, object 2 new ABC. Then we pass the value num1 is equal to 6. Then we execute two object 1 and object 2 of same variable num1. In upper side we pass the 5. In the creating an object 2, we pass the num1 is equal to 6. Then what will be happen? The memory located to the both object 1 and object 2 to the 6. So it gives memory allocation. So this is one of the example of the static variable. It is most important is that if we use the static keyword, then our method is method block variable is static. So this is about the static variable. So we will see the another example of the static keyword by using the method. We consider we create of the one of the class ABC. In that class we pass int a is equal to 5 and we pass another data type int b as a static is equal to 6. Then we create an show method. The show method is also our static method. Then we create non-static method xyz. In that xyz method we also print the sysout a and b. In also show method we print the sysout a and b. Then what will be happen when we execute the program? Then in a show method it gives the error because we also initialize in sysout a. So a is not static. So what will be happen in a static method? Static method is initialize only static variable. It does not doesn't get any instance variable. So in a display method what will be happen? We also print A and B. So in a the display method can both access both variable can be accessed. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. So display method is a non-static method. It can be access static variable, but static method only access the static variable. It doesn't access a non-static variable. So this is about the static keyword. The static keyword is main purpose is what the static keyword is mainly used for the memory management, and the static keyword we use in a method, in a nested class, in a variables, in a block. So this is useful for the these four types in a class, method, then nested class, and our so this is about the static keyword. So first one we example see is that the we create an class ABC, then we two times we change the value of num1 and num2, but it gives a preference to the second num1 value because it saves our memory, and so it will give our last output at the memory is located. So this is all about the static keyword. So static our method can be also static, our variable can be also static. So this is all about the static keyword. Thank you.